Just waiting for my slides.
What if all the answers are already out there? More than 450 years ago, Michelangelo said that he didn't sculpt stone. He revealed what was already inside. Isn't that the history of the world? Of discovery, of imagination? Revealing what's possible. Look at what humanity has done. We now live twice as long and vastly healthier than we did just 200 years ago. We can operate on a fetus in utero. We can see the history of time. Light traveling from more than 13 billion years away. Light that has always been there, but that was invisible to us. If we only had the tools, the ability, and the vision to make it happen. Isn't that the nature of automation? To harness the near limitless potential to make ideas possible, to give the world the technology to execute on those ideas. This isn't merely about eliminating repetitive tasks. This is about the ability to read and analyze data in human-like ways, about building bridges across your organization, about creating new business models, a new era in how individuals, companies, societies can go forward. What are we capable of? Isn't that the only question? All of the answers are out there, you know, waiting for us.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. It's fantastic to be here, and such a diverse and forward-thinking crowd that I've seen. As Saudi Arabia growth soars, it's amazing to not just follow the inspiring story, but to be part of the journey, partnering with trailblazing local organizations. And as you've heard in the earlier announcements, we're incredibly excited about our expansion chapter ahead of us. Today, I want to talk about what's close to my heart, and hopefully yours too, human achievement. What does it mean for us in the age of AI and automation? Is technology a threat or a powerful tool to unlock our full potential? Let's rewind to 2005. A small team in Bucharest, Romania, dared to dream big. They envisioned a future where people were freed from tedious tasks, their potential unleashed. That's how UiPath began. Not with lines of code, but with a belief in human potential, recognizing the power of technology to empower us. Not just through simple automation, but by mimicking human interactions, understanding complex processes. Today, companies like Uber, Facebook, Spotify, Google all use UiPath, and many local visionary organizations in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. They're not just saving time, they're freeing their brightest minds to focus on innovation, on what truly matters. Seeing doctors reclaim time for patients, state agencies expedite aid programs, and humanitarian organizations alleviate suffering with our technology. And that's what fuels us. This isn't a future dream. It's happening now. It's not about mindless repetition. It's about what humans can achieve together. It's not just through simple automation. Seeing doctors reclaim time is an amazing feat. The work world is changing so fast, faster than ever before. People want less repetitive tasks, more meaning, and jobs that don't feel robotic. Think of the Great Resignation. Is automation pushing people out? Not at all. It's about fulfilling work that people enjoy. Automation can change all of this by taking over routine tasks. It helps create meaningful jobs that leverage our human strengths. Imagine a 4-day week, more time with families, hobbies, personal growth. This may sound like utopia, but it is a world that is becoming increasingly possible when you combine AI and automation. AI and automation are already having a major impact on the workplace, and they are only going to become more powerful and sophisticated in the years to come. At UiPath, we are proud to be part of leading this evolution, this revolution of automation and AI. We even use our own technology internally and have saved more than 1 million hours of employees' work in just a couple of years. And that relates to roughly $55 million across our company. We're also humbled by the external recognition of our artificial intelligence efforts. Just a few months ago, our Clipboard AI product was recognized as one of Time Magazine's best inventions of 2023. And with Clipboard AI, you can copy and paste because it's super smart on how it uses AI to automatically store and access things you copy, saving you time and obviously dealing with frustration. It's a perfect example of how AI can empower people, not replace them. But it's not the only one. Clipboard AI is one of many solutions we offer that has generation AI and specialized AI built in it to more than 10,000 of our global customers. It's delivering on AI. UiPath Autopilot. Autopilot is a super powerful AI assistant, and you can think of it as your AI partner at work. It's different from other AI assistants you might have seen in 3 key ways. First, it has superior document handling because it uses generative AI, and also UiPath's multi-year investment in specialized models that understand many document types, even in Arabic. Second, it can take action and it can get real work done because it has the power of UiPath's automation platform behind it. It can take action with APIs, and it can take action with UIs, and it can take action with UI automation. Last but not least, it makes smarter decisions because it has enterprise data and context that's uniquely available through the UiPath platform. Let's show a quick demo, and you can see it in action. Uh-oh. It might have a little problem with the demo. It's fine. Thank you. I guess the demo's not working. Okay, I don't think we can get the demo to work. So let's keep going. As AI and automation take on more and more mundane tasks that are currently performed by humans, we will be able to work smarter, not harder. But it's not just about individual achievement. Think about the challenges we face as a society: climate change, social inequality, healthcare access. Automation isn't just about efficiency. It's about unlocking resources to tackle these issues head on. This impact is real, and it's expanding. I know it because what continues to be my favorite part of my job is spending time with our customers, understanding what our technology can do for them. They are using the power of automation delivered through our platform to gain the capacity, agility, speed, and enterprise strength execution you need to execute in today's environment. Capacity, agility, speed. and enterprise execution, if you take the initials, that spells case, the case for change. In today's fast-changing world, change is not a choice but a must, because businesses that thrive in this new era will embrace change with speed and agility. AI and automation are truly those change enablers. They empower customers to innovate, adapt quicker than ever, and grow. But our customers' business goals aren't always as simple. They're like us. They have greater missions to achieve. Now more than ever, leaders have to be connected to the world outside their organizations. From sustainability to social good, automation offers a practical path to achieving these goals, and not only help organizations create a better work environment, but impact society around them. At UiPath, we're proud of what we've achieved, but we know this is just the beginning. Our purpose is simple: to accelerate human achievement. And we believe that by working together with technology as our partner, we can create a future where humans can reach their full potential. And now I'll turn it over to you and ask you, what is your case for change? How will you use AI to fuel human achievement in your organization? Do not be afraid to dream big. Imagine a future where technology empowers us, not defines us. Together, let's write a chapter in human history, a chapter where AI amplifies our humanity and knows no bounds regarding achievement. Thank you very much.